We, as Printvisie, exist over 45 years, based in Rotterdam in the Netherlands, where we print both in offset and in digital print, including the complete post-press. So Printvisie exists of multiple businesses. Of course, the printing business, which is called Printvisie, there we will produce the digital and offset printing. But we also have two e-commerce platforms. We already do that for 17 years right now. We have Flyers Online, where you can order all different kinds of print materials online. And we have Groenprint for around 12 years right now, which is the same, where you can order printing materials, but all on a sustainable way. What we have seen in the last couple of years, I think already since, let's say 10 years, is that the amount of orders is increasing, though the order value is decreasing, which means that the amount of time we have to finish an order and to make sure it will be sent on time to our customers is very limited. Finding the right people who want to work in this industry, having the skills, makes us very eager to attract a lot of people to work with our company, but we not always can find them, of course. What we do is we are trying to educate our trainees and try to keep them with our company. So having machines that are really easy to operate, having a supplier who also know how to automate processes, not only in post-press but also in combination with the press department, is very important. We started many years ago with an ice saddle, and the reason why we bought the ice saddle was mainly because of the make-ready time. So after the ice saddle, we invested in a 646, mainly for our card business. From origin, we make a lot of flyers, business cards, greeting cards. So the Duplo 646 made it very easy for even inexperienced people to finish those products in a very quick time. It was no question that we also needed to invest again in a new Duplo machine, so we invested by then in the 648, and both machines are operating in our company right now. With the barcode system of the Duplo machine on the cutting machine, we are able to process multiple orders. The only problem we experience is that the output tray only can handle one different size at a time. So when seeing the stacker at the Drupa last year, we were very fortunate to test that machine in our company, where we are able to have an extended output tray, so to say, where the operator can spend his time and dedication on another machine, and when he has some free time over there, he will be able to handle different finished products of the stacker and put it in the boxes to send away to our customers. The Duplo machines really helped us to decrease the amount of time we need for the production of the orders of our customers. One operator can operate two machines at the same time, and in that way we have a relatively small team of people, experienced people, and they work very hard, but we are managing to operate multiple machines at the same time. Yeah. It gives more empowerment to the operator because they are a little bit more aware that they can dedicate their attention to the process they are working on a different machine and know that the cutter is handling different orders at the same time. 15 years ago, Printvisie made a strategic decision to fully go into sustainable printing. And I think that's a decision we made, and we have to be very lucky we did 15 years ago, because we are really a front runner in sustainable printing. Working with barcodes and handling different kind of orders, compared to the old days, the amount of waste is not zero, but almost zero. Really, when we have multiple business cards, flyers, or folders we put in the cutting machine, in the Duplo, there is no waste, extra waste, because the barcodes and the registration mark are written by the machine. So the first sheet of that order going into the machine, 99% of the time it's qualitative output. So the extra waste we don't have. The big advantage of the machines we having with Duplo is that the amount of electricity the machines are using is way less than the old-fashioned press machines. So that helps us in our sustainability goals, of course. The make-ready time of an order, not in one department, but through the whole company. We are now at a point where it's making sense to say, okay, we are really fully automated. So there's much work to do in that field, but today I think we are really there that we can have the benefit of those things. I think in the near future, the investments in digital post-press and the automation using barcodes is the most important thing what will happen in the upcoming years. I'm already here for a long time in this business. When I visited a manufacturer many years ago, we were looking at the quality of the output. Actually, we take that for granted right now, because the quality is there.